again product property. So the property says log base b of m times n equals log base b of m plus log base b of n. I'm reviewing here the properties of the exponents. We have a product property of exponent. When we say x to the second power times x to the third power, we know that we add exponents. So it's 2 plus 3, 5. So that property is the same with the properties of logs. Let me give you an example with the properties of logs. Log base 3 of 2 times 7 equals log base 3 of 2 plus log base 3 of 7. Now let's discuss about the second property. It's called quotient property of logarithms. Quotient. So we're going to write quotient, and you know when we are dealing with quotient property, we are dealing with division. I'm going to review again the quotient property of the exponent. For example, if we have x to the 7th power divided by x squared, what we do, we put the common base, which one is x, and we subtract the exponent. So 7 minus 2 gives you 5. So x to the 5 is the property and the answer in this case. So let's go with the quotient property of the logs. Log base 2 of, or let me go in general form, so I can say better log base b of m over n equals log base b of m minus log base b of n. Let me give you a real example. Log base 4 of 2 over 7 equals log base 4 of 2 minus log base 4 of 7. The last property that I want to discuss with you is called power property of logarithms. So power property. Okay, so what is the power property? From the word power, you understand that here we are going to be dealing with power. So log base b of m to the power of p. You can tell now, see the power is p. The power p now is jumping in front of the log. So you're going to have p times log base b of n. Remember, this is the first step that we are going to solve, or we are going to use, when we solve logarithmic equation. P is the power and has to jump in front. Let me give you an example. Log base 3 of 7 squared. In this case, the power is the square. The square is going to jump in front of the log. So we are going to have 2, and after we are going to have log base 3 of 7. So in this lesson, students, I explained to you the three properties of logarithmic functions. Again, logarithmic functions are the inverse of exponential functions, and the properties that we are using here are the properties that we use to the exponential function, and these are the properties of the exponents, and I explain it to you how they are connected with each other as inverse functions. We are going to use these properties to solve logarithmic equations. Also, we are going to use them to evaluate different logs and use them in real life situation in other videos to come. Thank you. Bye bye.